I am excited about this, and I have something completely new for you. I'm talking all the time about diversification. You guys know I cover that in my videos. And so, predominantly, obviously, my channel is a crypto content channel. But you all know, I've been around the block a few times, 50 plus years old. See the gray hair right there, all that. Now, that's because of a wife, a kid, two dogs, and all that. But I've been buying and selling stocks and, real estate and crypto for 30 plus years. And this is new. Okay. So, this is something that you've never probably seen before, didn't even know existed. Okay, so this is a sponsored video from a company called Masterworks. Now, this has nothing to do with crypto, but this is investing in high-end art like Picasso, Banksy's, getting fractional ownership. And here's some interesting things. So stay with me to the end of the video. The numbers are going to shock you as far as a return on investment and how, for example, art has outperformed the S&P 500 for, I want to get this right, for 26 years. So art as an investment has outperformed the S&P 500 for the past 26 years. Art traditionally is inflation resistant. It's very interesting. So I'm going to show you this, let you kind of check everything out, okay? But again, I want to show you that this is interesting. You're going to like this. All right. So with that said, let's get into this. Okay. So like I said, the company I'm talking to you about is Masterworks, and they approached me and they said, "Hey, we love what you're doing with your content. You're always talking about diversification and things like this, but have you ever talked about art?" And I have mentioned art as an investment maybe once or twice on my channel, but I love what Masterworks is doing because look, they are the only platform that lets you invest in multi-million dollar works of art by artists like, I'm going to get this one wrong, Basquiat, but Picasso, Banksy. We've all heard of Picasso. Most of us have heard of Banksy. Okay. So they've offered 200 paintings, offered 200 plus employees. They launched in 2017. So Scott Lynn, the CEO right here, contemporary art has outperformed the S&P 500 for the past 26 years. But there's been no way to invest in it. Masterworks isn't the first company to offer art investment products to the retail investing public. Okay. Now, let me show you this. So look, 656,000 plus, almost 657,000 accounts created on the Masterworks platform, 226 artworks purchased, and total asset 690 asset transaction value 691,201,644. But look at this. The rich have gotten richer. Why art sales prices are going through the roof. I like that that thing right there. So look, you're invited to join an exclusive community investing in blue chip art. That's what this is. It's fractional too. So just continuing on. So you can buy and sell shares on the trading platform, which is Masterworks, right? And you receive proceeds when the painting sells. Now, there's a couple of different variations on this we roll down. What I like about this is it's very, very straightforward. Okay. Now, remember, there's nothing guaranteed in life, right? I mean, and so any type of an investment involves risk. We know that. Okay. But I would tell you if you're diversified, crypto, stocks, real estate, high-end art. What I love about this is that it's fractional ownership. Okay. But look at some of this net annualized track record. So, like this particular Banksy, 378 days hold, it's returned a 32% return. George Condo, 39+%. These are artists, by the way. Banksy. So Monet right there. We've all heard of Monet, right? 9.2% returned. Let's see what some other ones that I'm looking. Andy Warhol. We've all heard of Andy, right? 10.4% return, 256 days. Cicely Brown, 35% annualized net return. Now, this is interesting. Strong appreciation over the last 25 plus years. Contemporary art over the last 25 years is as a category, right, has gone up 12.5%, outperforming the S&P 500, outperforming real estate, and outperforming gold. Look at the charts right here. So these are numbers that are out there. Okay, very simple, straightforward. So owning fractional ownership is a good way, potentially, if it kind of fits within your investment, how you want to look at this. This is something that I'm definitely going to look at, and I think I may even get involved with myself because I'm always looking for ways to diversify because let's call it what it is. We're all looking for how we can diversify. What is the key to diversification? For me, it's about risk minimization, right? That's why I talk about this all the time. If you're going to invest in crypto, invest in the blue chips, but then also own some stocks, mutual funds, ETFs, own some property, a house, whatever it may be, a condo. Owning art is, to me, something that is really kind of the next step. And quite frankly, cards on the table, I didn't know this existed. I have always kind of liked art as an investment, but I'm not going to go out and buy a piece of art. I don't know what's good or not good, right? But what I love about what Masterworks is doing is that they've basically created a platform where you can have, like, again, fractional ownership. You can buy a piece, if you will, of some of these pieces of art that they are buying on behalf, if you will, of their account holders, right? Okay. So I like this. Art still performs high in it still, excuse me, still performs in high inflationary periods. Look at this. So it's contemporary art performing well in high inflationary periods. We are in a high inflationary period. We know this, right? If you follow my channel all the time, I talk about inflation. Here's some more examples like Banksy, Picasso, Cause. I know about Cause. My son's into is into Cause. That's interesting. These are annualized. These are basically showing you annualized median artist appreciation rate. Here's how it works. Look, okay. So this Masterworks is the first platform for buying and selling shares representing an investment in iconic artworks. Build a diversified portfolio of expertly vetted works curated by our industry-leading research team. Remember what I said a minute ago? If I wanted to go invest in a piece of art, I don't know what to buy. I have no idea. But that's what's cool here is you can buy different, you can build a diversified portfolio. You can be like, okay, I want to buy a little bit in a Kusama, maybe buy a little bit of a Warhol, buy a little bit of a Banksy, as far as buying some of these shares. So look right here, here's the process. They find the iconic artists, they purchase the art. We review thousands of examples, paintings, and buy less than 5% of what we're offered. We secure it. They, meaning Masterworks, securitize the artwork. We file an offering circular with the SEC, allowing anyone to invest. And then basically you have the option to sell your shares in the trading market or wait until the painting sells. So you don't even have to wait until the painting sells. It looks like with the platform, you can buy and hold and things like that and get the returns. I love the press coverage component of this. These are different pieces of press coverage. By the way, links to Masterwork will be in the description below. Okay. So you can check them all out. But there's a couple of interesting articles out here that I was looking at, like art collection, a sustainable tool for wealth accumulation and preservation. And then right here, I've highlighted artwork is increasingly being purchased for building up wealth as a reliable investment vehicle. Investors are now less viewing artworks as not just decorative, right, but more as tangible assets to accumulate, hold, and accrue substantial value over time. So here's the thing. Final thoughts, right? To me, the key is diversification. I talk about it all the time. Crypto, mutual fund, ETFs, bonds, whatever, right? Real estate. To me, this is just another extension of that. And I love what Masterworks is doing. First platform, right, to where you can do the fractional ownership. You can get in. They go out, they find the art. You can then pick and choose which ones you want to be involved with and things of that nature. This is really, really cool. Again, this is a sponsored video from Masterworks. I thought that this actually fits within the context of the content I create for you guys, because you, as one of my subscribers and people that view my videos, what are we always looking for? We're always looking for, at least as far as what I preach on my channel, is diversification and doing smart things, smart investments. And art is something that's always been out there, but I've never known how to get involved with it. Right. And it's not my area of expertise. So I love what Masterworks is doing. So check them out, run it through your own due diligence, check it out. You can create an account and all that kind of stuff. Links in the description below. Check it out. As always, thank you truly for your support, and I'll see you later. Have a good one. Take care. Bye.